Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your Xiaomi Mi 10T, and first you have to be logged into your Instagram account. And let's pick up the photo that we want to download. So I will go for this one. After that we have to move to the Play Store and get Repost for Instagram application. We are going to take this one, this one from Kimsey929. Right now we can open, and as you can see we got two ways how to save the picture, so by share button and by using these three dots. So let's go back to the Instagram right now. Let's click here, for example, click to share and select the Repost Instagram application. After that we can open this application one more time, and as you can see here we got these three photos that were in this post, so we are aiming at this one, so others we can just take off. Click on the photo that you want to pick, take here to take off the signature, and if you want to save the picture you have to click right here. And as you can see it was saved to the gallery. So right now when we open our gallery you can check our photo, and it will be probably the albums and the old photos right here. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!